A cloudy start for many of us. There's a few showers. The showers will fade, the sun will come out through the course of the day, but there'll be further showers developing across northeast Scotland and northeast England, which could be heavy and thundery. I'll have all the details coming up later in the programme. Lovely, isn't it? Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. Now, we're starting off on a fairly cloudy note, but we will see sunny skies develop. But as we go through this week, if you're in the north and the west of the country, well, it's going to be cloudy and breezy with rain at times. But if you're in the south and the east, it's different. Warmer, drier with some sunshine and just one or two showers. Now, we've got one or two showers this morning. They'll clear. There's quite a lot of cloud around. It will linger across parts of the southeast coast until the afternoon, but the low cloud, mist and fog we've got across the northeast could linger throughout much of the day just on the coast, and we'll see further showers develop across northeast England and northeast Scotland, some of those being heavy and also thundery. But in between there will be some sunshine, the cloud building out towards the west, heralding the arrival of a weather front. These are our temperatures today: 12 in the north to 23 in the south. Now, through this evening and overnight, many of the showers will push off into the North Sea. There'll be some clear skies. Again, more cloud forming out towards the west as our weather front. And the breeze will also pick up across the northwest. By the end of the night, we'll see some showery rain arrive across northwest Scotland and into northwest parts of Northern Ireland as well. But it's not going to be a cold night. Temperatures widely still in double figures. I'll have a longer forecast where we look deeper into the week in about half an hour. But for now, back to Lou and Dan.
Thank you, Carol. We'll see you a bit later on this morning.
Thank you.
What's going on? Good morning.
Certainly is. Good morning, everybody. It is a murky start for some of us. We've got low cloud, mist and fog, as you can see in West Sussex, sent in by one of our weather watchers. And this will take a while to clear. For some, it will be with us all day. For others, it won't clear till the afternoon. But one way or the other, it's not a cold day, or a cold start to the day anyway for most, except for in Exeter. If you're just stepping out here, you will need to wrap up first thing. Now, the forecast today starts off on a cloudy note. There are a few showers. We'll see further showers develop through the day, particularly in the north and the east. The cloud breaking up, allowing some sunshine to develop. But in the Atlantic, look at this great big lump of cloud. This is a weather front and it's coming our way, but it's not going to make huge amounts of progress because it's bumping into an area of high pressure. So eventually it will introduce some cloud, and eventually in the next couple of days it will bring in some rain with it as well. So we're starting off on a cloudy note. The cloud along the coast of the southeast of England won't clear till this afternoon. The low cloud, mist and fog across the northeast of Scotland will be with us for much of the day. We'll see further showers develop across parts of the southeast, but many of us will miss them altogether. And for much of England and also Wales, if you ignore those showers, it's going to be dry with some sunshine developing. But some of the showers across the northeast of England and the northeast of Scotland could be heavy and thundery. For Northern Ireland, in the west, the cloud will thicken ahead of that weather front coming in, as it will do across the Western Isles. Here we've got highs of 16 degrees in Stornoway, but up to about 23 in the southeastern corner. Now, through this evening and overnight, our showers push off into the North Sea. There'll be some clear skies, some mist and fog patches forming, and then we've got the weather front advancing a bit more, introducing some thicker cloud and some spots of showery rain by the end of the night. The breeze will also pick up in the northwest as well. But as you can see, it's not going to be a cold night. Now, tomorrow here is our weather front, still not making huge inroads in across the UK. High pressure still firmly in charge, but it will be breezier tomorrow across the north and the west, and we will have all this cloud and still some showery outbreaks of rain. Move further south and east, we're back into the sunshine, and it will feel quite warm with temperatures into the low to the mid-20s. We're looking under this cloud and rain 14 to about 18 degrees. As we head through Wednesday, wind coming up from the southwest, that's going to drag in more moisture, so there'll be more cloud around. And our weather front still with us, introducing this showery rain. But one thing you will notice is it's going to feel humid. Temperatures up to about 25 degrees in the south, 15 in the north. And that humidity is going to stay with us as we go through Thursday and Friday as well. Lou and Dan.
Look at that.
Cloudy start to the day for many of us, murky along the northeast coast and the southeast coastline. Most of that will break. We'll see some sunshine, but there will be some showers in the north and the east. I'll have all the details coming up. Good morning. Fairly cloudy this morning actually, Dan, but it will brighten up. In fact, this week, if you're in the north and the west, the weather is going to be generally cloudier for you. breezier with some rain at times. The rain not particularly heavy, whereas if you're in the south and east, it's going to be warmer and drier with some sunshine and fewer showers. Now, it's mixed fortunes this morning, as you can see from our Weather Watchers pictures. We've got some sunshine in Norfolk, but on the coast in West Sussex, look at this, it's really misty and murky. There's a lot of low cloud, and that low cloud will be slow to clear, maybe lasting well into the afternoon, whereas the low cloud mist and murk across the northeast coast, well, some of that will stick for all of today. Now, there's some showers as well, especially in parts of the north and the east. Through the day, some of those could be heavy and thundery. Out towards the west, we're looking at a fair bit of sunshine, but the cloud starting to build in the west through the afternoon, heralding the arrival of a weather front. Temperatures 16 in Stornoway to about 22, 23 in Norwich and London. Through this evening and overnight, eventually the showers pull away into the North Sea. There'll be some clear skies, there'll be some mist and fog patches forming. Here's our weather front coming in, introducing again thicker cloud. And by the end of the night, there'll be some showery outbreaks of rain in the Western Isles and the northwest of Northern Ireland. Here too, it'll be breezy. But as you can see from the temperatures, it's not going to be a cold night across the board. And if you want a longer weather forecast going deeper into the week, I'll have one in about half an hour.
Right,
excellent.
Okay.
We'll see.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. It's quite a mild start to the day today. In fact, if we take a look at some of the temperatures, you can see most of us are in double figures. For some, the temperature didn't fall lower than double figures as we went through the course of the night. But here and there, we saw temperatures as low as 3, 4, 5s and 6s. It's quite a murky start for some as well. Beautiful, though, our Weather Watchers picture taken in Torquay in Devon this morning. And as we go through the day where we've got the cloud, a lot of it will break up and we'll see it brightening up with some sunshine. Just a few showers. Now, there are a few showers this morning coming out of the cloud in some eastern areas, but you can see all this cloud out towards the west. That is a weather front coming our way, but it still is going to be mild. And it's going to be mild or warm, depending on your point of view, as we go through this week. You can see the yellows and also the ambers are with us. And in fact, on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, it will feel quite humid. Now, what we have at the moment is a fair bit of cloud around. That cloud thinning and breaking. It's producing some showers in the east. We'll see further showers develop in the north and the east through the course of the day. Some of those could be heavy and thundery. Not all of us will see them. And we've also got some low cloud mist and murk moving across the southeast coast of England. Now, that should tend to break up as we go through the afternoon, but it may well linger across northeast Scotland for much of the day on the coast itself. The other thing is we saw the cloud coming in from the west. That will turn the sunshine hazy, and our temperatures today 15 in Aberdeen to about 18 in Cardiff, 23 in London. Now, overnight, our showers push away into the North Sea. There'll be some clear skies. In those clear skies, we could see a little bit of mist and fog forming, but the cloud continuing to thicken up out towards the west. The breeze will pick up in the northwest, and we'll see some showery rain in the Western Isles and also the northwest of Northern Ireland. But once again, it's not going to be a cold night. Now, tomorrow, you can see our first weather front coming in, fading, and we've got a second one coming in as well. So tomorrow there'll be a bit more cloud in some western areas. The breeze will also be more noticeable, and we'll see some showery outbreaks of rain across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, some drizzle at times getting into Cumbria. But moved south across Wales and into the southeast, there's an isolated shower risk, but that is about it. For most it will stay dry and there'll be a fair bit of sunshine around. Temperatures 12 in Lerwick, 20 in Birmingham, but 23 likely in London. Now, as we head on into Tuesday night and also Wednesday, you can see our weather front still not making much progress. We have more of a breeze in the south than we're looking at on Tuesday, and it will still be fairly breezy across the northern half of the country as well. A weather front pushing in, bringing its cloud with it, and also some spots of rain. But again, the rain not particularly heavy, and our temperatures 13 to 24. But don't forget, it's on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. It starts to feel quite muggy. Lou and Dan.
Carol, thanks for the warning. See you later.
Pleasure. Really cloudy start to the day for many of us, murky for some, but it should brighten up with some sunshine. However, there'll be some heavy and potentially thundery showers in parts of the east. I'll have all the details coming up. Good morning. Just to clarify, it is Monday morning. And today it is quite a cloudy start to the day. But you know, as we go through the next few days, if you're in the north and the west of the country, well, it's going to be cloudy and breezy with rain at times. The rain not particularly heavy. Whereas if you're in the south and east, it will be warmer and drier with some sunshine, although there will still be a few showers at times. Now it's a cloudy start. We've got low cloud hugging the northeast coastline of Scotland. That could linger in the coast all day. We've also got low cloud just lingering along southern counties on the coast. That should lift, but it might not lift till the afternoon. And we've got showers, and those showers continuing through the day across parts of the north and the east. Some of those will be heavy and thundery, but of course, we won't all see them. A lot of dry weather, a fair bit of sunshine, high cloud coming in will turn that sunshine hazy. And we've got a temperature range of 13 in Lerwick, 21 in Glasgow to 24 in London. Now, through this evening and overnight, we say goodbye to those showers. They pull away into the North Sea. There will be some clear skies, some pockets of mist and fog forming under those clear skies, and a weather front coming in from the west will introduce thicker cloud, and by the end of the night some showery outbreaks of rain, and it will also become breezier across the northwest of the UK. But as you can see, it's not going to be cold. So tomorrow any mist and fog will lift. There'll be a lot of dry weather around, fair bit of sunshine, but already the cloud out towards the west producing some showers, bring some drizzle at times in across Cumbria, and still a noticeable breeze. Lou and Dan.
Thank you very much for that, Carol. We'll see you a bit later on.
It won't be quite the same as in Greece, but good morning, everybody. This morning, it's actually quite a cloudy start to the day. However, we'll see that cloud thin and break. The sun will come out. And although there's some high cloud around, the sunshine will just be turned that bit hazier. Now, there's still a few showers in the forecast, even into the afternoon. Most of them will be in eastern areas. And you can see this great big swirl of cloud in the Atlantic. This is a weather front which is very slowly coming our way. Slowly because it's bumping into high pressure, which is really the dominant force in our weather at the moment. And it's going to be a fairly weak affair anyway. When it does come our way, it's only going to introduce some showery rain. So this morning, a cloudy start. We've also got low cloud mist and murk hugging the northeast coast of Scotland. That could linger all day. We've got the same across the southeast coast of England. And here, what you'll find is it should pull away from the coast as we go through the course of the afternoon. So a lot of dry weather across England and Wales. There will be some showers. Some of those will be heavy and thundery, but a lot of us will miss them altogether. The cloud building across Northern Ireland and across western Scotland. But away from the northeast coast of Scotland, largely dry, apart from a few showers in the east, which could also be heavy and thundery. Now, temperatures today ranging from 13 in Lerwick, 23 in Hull to 24 in London. Through this evening and overnight, we say goodbye to those showers as they move off into the North Sea. There will be some clear skies, a little bit of mist and fog forming, and out towards the west, here's our weather front, introducing thicker cloud. By the end of the night, some showery outbreaks of rain in the Western Isles and also the northwest of Northern Ireland. And here too, it will be breezy. But it's not going to be a cold night. A lot of us staying in double figures, rather like the night that's just gone. So for Tuesday, here is our weather front. You can see from the isobars, it's going to be breezy in the northwest. High pressure still in charge in the south. So things in the south fairly settled. Any mist or fog that's formed overnight quickly lifting. Meanwhile, our weather front makes a little bit more progress across Northern Ireland and Scotland. It will bring at times more cloud in across Cumbria. For you could see some drizzle, but it's showery outbreaks of rain in the northwest. And temperatures will ranging from 13 in Lerwick to 20 in Aberdeen to 25 as our top temperature as we move down towards London. Now, on Wednesday, the fronts make a bit more of an inroad in that they're going to bring more of us some cloud and still some rain across the north and also the west. But the other thing you'll notice is even though it's going to be sunny across parts of the southeast with highs up to 25, it's going to start to feel that bit muggier. Not so as we push further north, where we've got 15 in Stornoway. And as for the outlook, well, that weather front will eventually come south during the course of Thursday, bringing cloud with it. There might be the odd spot or two of rain with it as well, but that will be about it. And then into Friday, still it's going to feel muggy, still a fair bit of cloud around, but there'll be some brighter breaks as well. And then that high pressure comes back for the weekend. At the moment, that's what we think anyway. And if that's wrong, my name is Michael Fish.
Thank you, Michael.